Hello my YouTube bats. I'm gonna try to do as best I could. I restore this video. I got fucking caught and directed it. So what I have here is I think it's a 14-inch Casablanca 4-seat hands that I got from Troy for $40. I found racing this year. $40, which is expensive, and because he fought the ice cream. First of all, it didn't come round bracket, round screws, or fucking Legos, or protein powders. It didn't show it in the pictures to me. It had everything. So, he fucks people and say yes. So, it also fucked me at the chain. So first, the chain went low, high, medium. Okay? And it wasn't right. And then, so, the chain, and then it would quit working. The fan quit working because of poor chain. See, Portland times and went wrong, right? So, nigga, I would punch the poor chain right here and would come right on. So, yeah, poor chain's fast. So, I placed the band head right chain. So it goes high, mid, low, and stuff, rolling high. But, mid and high got the crap. So high is too high. Mid and like a high, but it's a lot slower than high, and then low is medium on this. So it's still got good range of speeds, which ain't the correct speeds, you know what I mean? Speeds are not that great, mid and high, not great, but it's still big distance from high. And low is still big distance from medium. So, yeah. Not a Gamer fan no more. Made it close up. Casablanca Bros. No original. Outside these. Chain got replaced. All I can do since all because the shoes are no original. I don't even think these are Casablanca. It looked like it, but they came off a Craftsman. So I was from longer going on to split switch is backwards, but I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to fuck them in. It just wastes my time to flip it because it does work just right. So tag, I can't wait to get to it. Spoken with it, cool if not. Oh well, I don't know, G. I can't wait to go to visit. This video was more clean bites than my time. 7 per second. Those wobble because the flowers were warped. As you can see. Yeah, not that great, so. Let me put your asses down. Oh, this top. No tags up there. I know guess the way see the top. And yes, it is on October 29th. It's still kicking. Into the good outside today. So that's how I was fucking. I don't know if it's perfectly centered. We'll find out when the fan is on. So it's a white cut. Fucking distance. I got dog ports in my life, thankfully. So there it is. Looks so good the way now. Ain't gonna lie. I know you see good speed, so whoa. Alright, whoa. Speed. Which as you can see. I don't know how low speed is supposed to be on this one, but definitely slower than that. So, yeah. It's like this is medium on these. So that's your low. I don't mind it this long, I can fix it right because I ain't gonna install anyway. Even if I did, say if I installed it in my bedroom, which I never will be because I'm not soon to toilet, I would, if I ever had my room, it will never be on that slow speed often. So there is a modern is good privilege before it's just not being the highest. So I won't give a shit about it going slow. I know it's not instant fixing it right now. Your phone changed the picking. Try to get the best thing for you all. See, that's what recipe looks like. I can feel all over here by the camera. Fingers a fucking monster. Let's go medium. This is like higher. No chief fan, cause it was more in me than chief fan was. But it's like high speed for sure. But I don't think me was supposed that fast. But high's a lot faster than this. That's why I'm alright with it, cause it's still got 3 speeds and there's still pretty good distance between the two. And bitch, sure might fuck you up. I don't know, it could. Most if it does, that'll be my problem, okay? My shit, I can do what the fuck I want, so don't comment about it. Understood, children? Run my finger on more pretty good. Don't follow me in my high because you'll follow. I could push it. I'm not going to because I ain't put far. Then it's injury, but I won't follow much. Walmart might be bad for a follow for sakes. But if it breaks out, let's try to push it. So. See, high's a monster. I didn't expect high to be fucking fast at all. Pretty sure it's how fast it's supposed to be. I felt it a little slower over time, approaching over one inch bombing, so. It was, oh god, I can't even stand under it. She's under me. Better not fall. This could cool down bedroom, no problem. It's not a fucking living room, I say. Eventually, that outdoor weighted fan every person. But don't put it outside, it's not doing anything. But if that house and you want one you see all the time, this is for you. Of course, I the window would do better. This is a good kitchen fan. A table fan. For a burger table. Look at that bastard go. I can't. I'm telling you, this motherfucker's flying. Which is expected for Casablanca's being spin down. You faggot, why hit me hand again, I dare you. Excuse me. Spin down's pretty quick. But the brains are quiet, so. Which flower was sit down? Fuck. Oh yeah, YouTube keeps shaking my money. Can you spring out YouTube? Huh? Because it's Susan's husband controlling it. But my God. I don't know if that's her husband. Not my problem. She spin those pretty fucking quick on this. Start the world. It's gonna speed very quick, so I'm not worried about how we all live foot speed up. Tried it, what I did. I forgot my in the doorway. All the retards are hung out, so don't mind those stupid asses. So whoa. I fell out in the doorway. It's a big great ass hallway thing. That one big hallways, yeah, that's a perfect one of me, one. Well, and I. Just so you know it. Yeah. What's the best is all source, and it looks like actual medium. It sounds like a high. Shaking my shit because when my wolf I actually spin. It's been a good fuck already. Which it'll be alright. It'll be alright. Damn. Girlfriend taking off. I'll fit too much in the door. Oh, I hear you. Yeah, bro, I don't know how the fuck Robo finally going. Depends, are you getting stiff, my guy? Not really. And now it wants to get on. I don't know what's going to do it. Then running different both spend the world profile closer to the 4 seasons in December. You fans are calling what the book to the room. This might be a good idea. You live in an apartment, you have this about table, something like this, and this, have it go out this way to the room instead like about the table. That's enough what was one of my hands. We'll do a start up for the guys. All fingers are still nice. Is your eye? All fingers still nice. Let me see. When I go waste my time paying camera doing this too much. Ain't no stop noise, so put that towards the right arm, jump and keep it. Alrighty, like, subscribe, and peace out.